Let me go.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Good. The one kid out there says, "Watch." I said, I don't work in no shops.
They gotta make damn.
How much did you charge? Oh, look how big they got.
Joey, what are you doing?
I know.
Oh, there's another one.
Let me see, move it out.
Nick, you know what they like? They like.
Oh, hey.
On the. You should put them on
Oh,
your neck.
look.
That's what my cat.
On the chin.
Yeah, but no. Okay.
That's Jerry's baby. Yeah. Oh, what? Oh, you want mom, huh? Oh, look how cute.
Oh, he's let me pet his chin. He's let me pet his chin.
Oh, I like this color.
That's the one that you could.
Is it?
Yeah.
Look how pretty it looks.
I know, I like that.
All right.
Look at Joe taking my honey. Oh, yeah, Mom. Hello, baby girl. Yeah, look how sweet. Oh, look, Joe, get him. Look, look, number 1 and number 4. Okay. Oh, look, he's so cute. You could pet him, Ronnie, but she doesn't want you to pick him up. Go pet him.
Alright, what are you doing with that? Sing.
Did you name him yet, or give him names?
Well, this one's Simba.
Simba.
And the black and white one's Nala.
Aw. Do you know if it's a boy or a girl, or can you tell?
I think that's a girl, and I think this one's a boy.
Yeah. Their noses are fat,
Name
too.
one
You know, the
Mufasa
boys
and
have big
Scar.
noses, and, yeah.
Okay.
They're just bigger than
All you need is Pumbaa and Timon.
Wait.
That's Fluffy's
Look at
baby.
him now.
Timon,
You know what?
Pumbaa,
Krisys,
Simba and Mufasa.
That's Fluffy's
no,
baby.
Nala. No,
Say hiya.
Mufasa,
Like little gremlins.
Simba,
Little
Timon,
gremlins.
and Nala.
Oh, now take a picture of her with the baby's feeding.
Not me. Oh.
Oh, come on,
I
now.
know.
Come over here and take a nice shot.
Wait.
That feeding.
Move, Ronnie.
Say hiya. Everybody gotta get in there. Say hiya.
That one's not a baby. And then take a picture of baby.
Ain't nosy.
They're
As well.
so cute.
Baby.
Last but not least.
Now they find nipples real quick now.
Uh-huh. Say hiya.
Yeah. They're all pushing.
Hey. Say hiya.
Head under your neck.
He's ugly,
Hey,
huh?
hold on.
You
We
wanna
break
say
your leg.
hiya? Okay, I'm sorry.
Hi, Mom.
Sorry.
Alright.
Hi, Mom.
Here's your baby.
How's Mom doing? How's Mom? Wow, yeah, you cry for her. Oh. Yeah, give her kisses.
Why did you come up here?
To take pictures of the baby and to visit. Can we come and visit you sometime?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I thought he was gonna come help us draw, cause I'm drawing things. Meow.
Mom.
They're all purring.
Baby.
Y'all learn how to purr.
my girl.
Yeah, they do.
Sure they do. Are they? Oh,
That
this
one
I
is-
didn't hold yet.
Ouch!
How what?
I shocked him.
Wow.
Got shocked.
Okay.
You can't tell if they're purring. You can.
You're keeping this
You
one.
can tell. No. Oh, I thought you were.
Oh, you're so cute.
Nikki, come on.
Oh, you
Oh.
have to. You have to keep.
Okay. Hey, stop.
Look how pretty. Oh, look at that face.
That's her favorite, too.
Okay. Oh.
I'm down by baby.
He's the funny one, though. This one here, he's funny. That's why I want him to keep the thing up here. Sometimes
Yeah.
he cracks me. When he
Wait till
plays
they
with
get
the
just.
other
Oh,
ones.
just wait for
I
another
was
week
gonna
or
say
so,
call
and they're
Cartoon
bigger.
Network.
This was the only one.
Are you done already?